Welcome to the video training lessons for the imitation technique cabin crew public announcement. Thank you so much for signing up. I know you are going to love the training. It teaches you how to listen to the sounds and pattern of English and train to make sound by yourself on your own. You will deal your accent and pronunciation problem more quickly and become a clear and more confident English speaker. Now, there are 3 steps that you need to remember when you are using the imitation technique. Okay, listen to me and repeat after me. Departure. Aisle. Boarding. Carry-on bag. Overhead lockers. Seat. Electronic devices. Front. Ticket. Stored.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Flight 206 to New York. Welcome aboard Flight 206 to New York. We are looking forward to making this. We are looking forward to making this. A smooth boarding and an on-time departure. A smooth boarding and an on-time departure. Please step out of the aisle as quickly as possible. Please step out of the aisle as quickly as possible. After placing your bags in the overhead lockers. After placing your bags in the overhead lockers. Place all carry-on bags in the overhead lockers. Place carry-on bags in the overhead lockers. And store smaller personal items under the seat in front of you. And store smaller personal items under the seat in front of you. Cell phones and other electronic devices may be used. Cell phone and other electronic devices may be used. However, once the door has been closed, these items must be turned off and stowed. Thank you for choosing Easy Air, and welcome aboard.
If you watch the training through YouTube and still don't feel like challenging yourself enough, you can show your challenge in our TikTok.